Amazon stock crash. You should be investing into Amazon right now or not? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on this channel. And in this video I'll be talking about Amazon stock, which is a must buy right now for a long-term investors. And you're also getting $200 worth of free Amazon stock if you sign up from the link below. I'll be putting the link in the description below, so go check that out. And now let us talk about the Amazon stock. So basically, I use Robinhood for investing into the stock market. It is a very easy platform to do. I have made like several tutorial videos on Robinhood as well as Webull, and basically you can check the playlist out. I'll be putting the playlist description in the link below. So let me now directly go to the Amazon stock. So I'm in Robinhood. Just type in AMZN, which is the abbreviation for Amazon, and you'll be getting to this page as you can see here. So currently the price of Amazon is 97.46, which is very less as compared to the Amazon. And there are some reasons which I wanted to talk about this. So currently the price is 97.46 as you can see here, and on Robinhood they basically give you some like reasons here. For example, you can click on 1 year and you can see 1 year the Amazon stock value will be going down, and it will be going down by $52. And if you go into the 5-year one, like if you click on 5 year, you will be getting 47.33% of return in 5 years. I just clicked on 5 years on the Robinhood app. Okay, and basically this is how the Amazon stock works. It is a long-term investor stock, not a short-term. If you are looking for short-term, go please into cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrencies playlists are coming next after I finish the stock market one. These playlists will be coming next. I'll be reviewing everything about cryptocurrency, Coinbase, Binance, all of these trading platforms, and how I invest into them. So yeah, now let us talk about Amazon stock. I'll be explaining each and every part. So after you scroll down from here, basically you're giving some your positions as well as how many shares you have, how much is your portfolio diversity. That is upon you. That is not for me to explain. And when you go below, this is basically about Amazon, when it was founded, CEO, founded, employees, headquarters, and that all stuff. And basically the main important part of the Amazon stock is the stats. So I'll be putting a picture of the stats. Please take a screenshot of the stats, and I will be explaining each and every part of the stats now. So I hope you have the picture. Now let me explain you. Open basically means that 93.86. So that is the open value of the Amazon stock today. So it opened at 93.86. It went to a high of 97.46, which is the current value of Amazon stock right now. Lowest it went today was 93.21. These all figures I'm just telling from the stats on the Robinhood app. I hope you have the picture. Now other two things are 52-week high and 52-week low. Okay, so 52-week high was 170.83. So in the past 52 weeks, Amazon went to a high of 170.83, and in the past 52 weeks, it went to its lowest at $81.43. Okay, so now as you can see here, the volume is 67.48, average volume is 77.91. So average volume is basically how many amount of shares were traded all of the Amazon shares into one single day. So 77.91 million are the average number of shares traded on a single given day of Amazon. So that huge. And also the market cap is 9. Obviously it is a $1 billion company, so market cap will be in billions. And now important thing, PE ratio is 86.02. So PE ratio basically tells you how much the market is willing to give of the Amazon stock based upon its past as well as the future. So P ratio is basically between 20-25. Apple का जो P ratio है वो 20-25 के बीच में रहता है, which is around 22.5, and Amazon is 86.02. So why it is so high? So usually a higher P ratio basically tells you that the Amazon stock is overvalued. Why it is overvalued right now? Because Amazon stock currently has a lower price, so that is why it is being overvalued. If it is less than 20 P ratio, it is an undervalued stock. So P ratio is a very good indicator of how the stock is performing, whether it is overvalued, whether it is undervalued. And one thing you might note here is that there is no dividend yield. So there is no extra money which you are earning while investing in Amazon stock. So dividend yield I also explained in my previous video, so go check that out. So there is no dividend yield here, and basically the only way you can earn from Amazon is buying the stock and selling it after a few time when the price rise. So there is no dividend yield into the stock. So I really hope you like the video, guys, and you get a very good understanding of the Amazon stock, what exactly are the parameters of buying Amazon stock. And In the next video, I'll be talking about what other 2 parameters which I consider while buying an Amazon stock and whether you should buy it or not. And इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.